All right, we have more news coming in. Controversial comment by Union Minister on Himachal Pradesh mosque. Giriraj Singh has said Himachal Pradesh has given a message to the Hindus of the whole country that if we unite, no Mughal will be able to defeat us. If you divide, you will be cut. If you unite, the mosque will have to be demolished. Himachal model will have to be made in the whole country. Illegal mosques have increased here. These illegal mosques should be demolished like it has happened in Himachal, is what Giriraj Singh has said.
हिमाचल प्रदेश ने पूरे देश के हिंदुओं को एक संदेश देने का काम किया है कि जहां हम इकट्ठे होंगे कोई हमें हरा नहीं सकता, कोई गौरी कोई मुगल दोबारा हरा नहीं सकता। बटोगे तो कटोगे वाली बात होगी। और हिमाचल को देखो, एक हो गए तो मस्जिद तोड़ना पड़ेगा।
हिमाचल मॉडल बनेगा पूरे देश में,
पूरे देश में मॉडल बनाना पड़ेगा।
All right, so a controversial comment that has been made by Union Minister Giriraj Singh on mosques and illegal mosques in the country. He has spoken about the fact that just like Himachal Pradesh has set an example, the entire country, Hindus of the entire country will have to do this. Himachal has given a message to the Hindus of the whole country that if you unite, no Mughal will be able to defeat us. If you divide, you will be cut. If you unite, the mosque will have to be demolished. Aman getting in more details. Aman, this controversial comments comes amidst a time when tensions continue in Shimla, isn't it?
Exactly, and it also amid the elections when the focus is politically in Haryana and Jammu Kashmir. So this sort of statement somehow is expected to benefit the Saffron Party itself in Haryana and Jammu Kashmir, because whenever there are elections, so this sort of statements are expected. So in Himachal, what happened is the right time, what Giriraj Singh has commented, and you see right now I'm here in Mandi. Yesterday the whole incident happened. 30 days ultimatum been given to the mosque committee to demolish it, the construction that's been developed by passing the TCP laws. So now the mosque committee is planning to demolish and reach the higher authorities as well. But today itself, for the 14th of September, the Bandh call has been given to shut the shops, to shut the business in support of Hindu Sangatans and pro-Hindu groups. And you see here in Mandi also, it's the Indra market, more than 500 shops. You'll be seeing that shutters are down. It's been market is closed. Otherwise, in usual days, the market is quite open and the flow of the crowd here is quite visible. So the Bandh call which has been given here in Himachal has its impact in Mandi as well, because there are two incidents that's been controversial incidents has been happening in Shimla. The second is in Mandi. The Mandi one is yesterday itself, and the Sanjoli one happened 15 days back. So it's reflection. You can see that Hindu groups have given call today for all over Himachal to consider Bandh, to shut the business, shut the shops today.
Actually, in a moment from now, Aman Bhardwaj getting in those details. From Shimla, Congress MP Manickam Tagore joining us this morning. Thank you for your time. Your reaction, sir, to what has now been said by Giriraj Singh, that Himachal has set an example. Hindus have to unite to keep the Mughals away, is what he said. Himachal model will have to be made in the whole country. Illegal mosques have increased, and these mosques should be demolished, like how it has been done in Himachal.
Giriraj Singh is the symbol of hate now. We all know that he is a hate mongerer and he should be dismissed from the ministry, union ministry, because he works against the constitutional itself and the oath he has taken it. The oath on which the President of India has asked him to take the oath, is working against that oath of secrecy itself. And it shows the arrogance of the BJP, particularly the RSS mindset. The government in Himachal has taken a step which is according to the law. It is not because of this kind of communal hatred these people are spreading. And we should understand that Giriraj Singh like people Every minute they continue and they speak like loudspeakers, are not fit to be the ministers of Union of India, and it shows Mr. Modi's silent support towards this kind of hate politics. Whether Mr. Modi supports this kind of hate politics to divide India on religious basis is the thing. Rule of law should be the basis on which we should all work. It may be any kind of worship place. If it is not legal, the law should take its own course. Not this kind of loudspeakers who should spread venom in the society and destroy the social fabric of the country.
All right, I'm going to thank you. Manikam Tagore getting us his perspective on the story and the Congress's position on what has now been said by Union Mantri Giriraj Singh as far as the situation in Himachal Pradesh is concerned. Staying with these developments, storm over alleged illegal mosques continues in Himachal Pradesh after Shimla. Clashes were reported between locals and cops in Mandi. On Thursday, members of the Muslim community had themselves demolished an unauthorized portion of the mosque located on Jail Road in Mandi. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu has appealed to the people to maintain peace and brotherhood in the state.
After Shimla, communal tensions grip Mandi in Himachal Pradesh. Hindu groups in Mandi staged a protest demanding action against alleged illegal construction at a mosque. The police had to resort to water cannons to disperse the protesters. Mosque authorities claim they have already demolished the illegal portion.
हमारा जो मैप है उसका 6 महीने बाद हमें पता चला कि इस पर ऑब्जेक्शन लग रहा है. उससे पहले हमें कोई इंटीमेशन नहीं थी. तो यहाँ रेड कलर का मार्क लगा हुआ है, वही पीडब्ल्यूडी का निशान है, उसके बाद उनकी जगह है. तो ये दीवार आ रही है, तो उन्होंने कहा कि आपको ये दीवार गिरा देनी चाहिए. तो हम लोगों ने कहा ठीक है, अगर आप चाहते हैं गिराना है तो गिरा दीजिए, हमें कोई एतराज़ नहीं है क्योंकि ये आपकी जगह है.
Both PWD and Municipal Corporation had earlier served notices to the mosque. Amid the escalating protests over illegal constructions at mosques in the state, Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu said peace and harmony is his top priority.
ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग में बाकी पार्टीज ने कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाया है सरकार में जो एक्ट आप कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, बिल्कुल कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाया, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है. और कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम प्रदेश की शांति को बिगाड़ने में योगदान देना है. हमें प्रदेश में शांति बनाए रखनी है.
Heavy security has been deployed across Mandi after similar protests had turned violent in the capital city Shimla. Bureau Report, India Today.